Hey yo, what is up people? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel. It's me Vichy Kevin who's about to describe you guys on how you guys can log in into Hulu. But before I describe you how you guys can log in into Hulu, I want you guys to know like what Hulu is. For those people who do not know what Hulu is, basically Hulu is a site where you guys can, watch movies, series. So basically it's a website where you guys can pay on monthly basis to watch movies. Basically it's like Netflix but it's owned by Hulu, which is another company, alright? So let me tell you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before I tell you guys how you guys can log in into it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Let's jump right into the video. The first step is you want to go to your search engine, search for Hulu. After you search for Hulu, you want to click on where it says Hulu Stream TV and Movies Live and Online. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Hulu's official website. Once over here, if you guys have not created an account, you can click on start a free trial to try Hulu. But if you guys already have an account, you want to click on where it says login. Once you click on login, you want to enter the email of your Hulu account and password. After entering the email and password, you want to click on I'm not a robot to verify yourself you're not a robot. So, do whatever thing it asks you. After verifying yourself as a human, once you get this tick, you want to click on login. And if the email and password you enter here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Hulu account. But if you guys have not yet, log in into Hulu account, then basically your email or password is incorrect. So make sure to double check them. And if for some reason, if you forgot your email or your password, you can always click on where it says forgot your email or password to recover your email or password of your Hulu account, alright? So that's basically how you guys can, log in into Hulu account. And if you guys do not have an account, you can click on start your free trial over here to create yourself a Hulu account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned on our channel, One to Step until our next video. Bye bye until then.